Here with Catherine. And Catherine, who do you work for?
I work for LSI Solutions.
Okay, what is that all about?
Well, today I have the RD suturing device. It's a 5mm device, like a miniature little sewing machine. It passes the suture back and forth.
I like that analogy. I think it's very accurate. Even makes the same kind of noise as my grandmother's sewing machine.
Yes.
Can you show us how that works, Catherine?
Of course.
All right.
So you would have already removed your lesion. You have your defect. We'll go ahead and fold the suture.
This is for TAMIS, for transanal minimally invasive surgery. We've already done the resection. Okay, let's see.
We'll fold the suture over the top of the device.
Got it.
Go into your port.
Uh-huh.
Normally start on the distal
And
side.
it's a 5mm.
It is a 5mm, which is very nice.
Very nice.
So normally you would have a grasper, and I'll just pretend my fingers are the grasper. I start on the distal side of the defect, lift up, put the device down on top, squeeze the handle, and then after the suture is passed, you lift up just slightly so the suture is at a 90-degree angle from the device.
Okay.
And you reset. You have to reset in between your bites, and you want the suture at a 90-degree angle. Then we'll come to the proximal side of the defect.
What kind of suture is it we're using? Does it come with a specific
typically in TAMIS
suture?
we are using a 2.0 monoglide absorbable suture.
Awesome.
And I've been having people just do figure of eights. Usually they'll do depending on the size of the defect, but maybe say like 5 figure of eights. And then you'll come outside the port, and then we have another device that does the knot for you.
Okay.
Okay.
Wow.
So we come outside the port, we have our sutures. We're going to trim our sutures evenly.
Okay.
And then this next device is handed off. It's called the tie knot device. This is a little titanium hollow sleeve that the sutures actually get passed through. It crimps it multiple times and then cuts the suture for you.
Okay.
So we'll go ahead and, the script tech will go ahead and load this and hand it off to you already loaded. So you get the device like this. And then we're outside the port. We just put the sutures through this wire snare. And then pull on the curved handle up the shaft towards you. All that did was act like a French eye, and it just fed these sutures through the device.
Okay.
So you'll go down
I can follow
to
that. Okay.
here, and then you set the tension by pushing the device down, pulling back on the suture, and then you just squeeze a handle, release, and come off, and that's your knot. That's how fast it is.
Look at that. Awesome. Okay.
This provides 4 to 5 kilograms of holding strength. So after the suture is absorbed, then the patient just passes the little titanium piece.
All right, Catherine, thank you very much.
Thank you.